Alrighty guys, we're back. As you can see in front of me, I have the 79. Me, my cousin, or cameraman Clayton, and my stepbrother were working on it last night. Got the inside all tore apart. We got the seat taken out, all the mice nest taken out. Took the shop vac, kind of sucked some stuff up. Didn't get all the way up to the front and stuff. But took the dash apart, pulled some mice nests out up here where they were sitting on the cluster and stuff. So it's going to be a fun little project. As far as the motor goes, I was talking to my cousin. He was the one that last drove it in like 2014, I believe he said. And he said it was burning a lot of oil, so he would just dump it in and run it. So guessing it needs a rebuild. I took the valve cover off last night. They look decent. Probably need some new gaskets and stuff, so I'm probably just gonna buy a full rebuild kit for 400 bucks and take it to my buddy Chad and see if he will rebuild it. Shouldn't be that hard to get out. It's just a 4-bolt main 350, so I'm gonna hopefully try and get it pulled out. I've only pulled one other motor out now. It's probably 4 or 5 years ago, and yeah, and then other plans, I'm just gonna try and find new panels and stuff, new inner fenders I'll have to order, and then we're just gonna go from there. So should be a fun little project for the channel. Should be a cool build. I plan on doing like a 4-inch lift on it. I'll probably try and keep the same factory rims, just go to a bigger size tire. I'm not sure what's even on there. Yeah, those are 31s right now, if you guys can see. 31 10.5 by 15. So I want to try and keep this original rim. I'll probably just clean it up a little bit and paint it, since it's got the original hubs on it. But I'll probably go to a 33 inch tire. Like I said, inner fender's gonna have to be changed. Probably gonna have to get some rewiring done to it, but hey, I got this truck on a trade for free, so I'm not too worried about it. Try and salvage these doors, but I don't know if I'll be able to. I'll probably just have to end up buying new ones. So the flatbed's in excellent shape. The fuel tank, I'm probably gonna build a guard or something underneath of it, and just for extra protection, because right now it's just the gas tank and it's a little scary just like that, because I don't want to puncture a hole or anything in it. But still has fuel in it. I took the gas cap off and smelt it, and oh my gosh, it's strong. But for the bed, I'm probably just gonna rhino line it, the floor and stuff, the sides. Probably come back and get all new lights, because we have a light there, we have one up front in that corner, and we have our ones back here. So probably go and get all new lights for it, probably LEDs or something once I get everything rhino lined. Probably keep the mud flaps on there. I might change out the wheels eventually. If I do go with a 4-inch lift, I might go to like a 18 by 10 or something, because I want to turn this truck into like my show truck for my auto body and stuff. So it'll be a cool little build for the YouTube channel anyway. So but as far as plans go for it, engine's going to be rebuilt. I have no idea about the tranny. It locks into gears, but I don't know if there's any fluid in there or not, so I have to check it out yet. I'm going to get everything tore apart yet, and gonna go with a gunmetal gray and then a red, and then I'm gonna have my Spanky's Auto Body detailing on the side, and that's basically it for the truck. So little update for you guys just to see how far it came. So there you go.